Namaste, Jivin. I, Jivin Shobha Kumari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Government Institute, Jaipur. Today I did a lecture on this topic, package of practices of pigeon pea crop. Pigeon pea, red gram is also known as its botanical name Cajanus cajan. Botanical name Cajanus cajan, family Fabaceae, chromosome number 22. Origin, eastern part of peninsular India. Cultivar group members Cajanus cajan, variety bicolor. Cajanus cajan variety flavus. These are the two species. Bicolor of flavus. Introduction. Pigeon pea, commonly known as a red gram arhar, is very old crop of this country. After chickpea, arhar is the second most important pulse crop in the country. It is a rich source of protein, supplies a major share of the protein requirement of the vegetarian population of the country. Seed of arhar are also rich in iron and iodine. Area, Gujarat, MP, UP. India ranked first both in area and production. Due to hardy nature, they find place all over. Their productivity is less due to unfavorable soil, less important management practices, inherent genetic potential. Economic volume may be less, but energy required to produce is high. Biological produce is high, but HI is poor. What is HI? HI means harvest index. 1 gram of protein is inversely related to 1 gram of carbohydrate. Pulse may be classified as a kharif pulse. Cultivated with the warm temperature may require higher water and irrigation. Uh, Red gram, black gram, green gram, cowpea, horse gram, mortbina, these are the kharif pulses. Rabi pulses relatively with residual soil moisture, chickpea, lentil, pea. These are the example of Rabi pulses crop. Soybean, which is mostly a crop as the second category, most important pulse in area and production next to chickpea. Highly nutritious, protein 21%. It is grown all over the world, tropics and subtropics. For grain, green manure, fodder and forage, as a sole and inter and mixed crop. Area, India ranks first, 90% area, 85% production. Other country with PP, pigeon pea, Malawi and Uganda, some Eastern African country, Nepal, Myanmar in Asia, Dominican Republic in the USA, area production and productivity in India. Origin, a crop of India introduced to Africa. Variety of India are classified into two groups, but with the some intermediaries. Cajanus cajans variety flavors, tuber, short duration, annual, yellow flower, fewer plants, pod. Cultivated in the southern India. Cajanus cajan variety bicolor, arhar, long duration, flower is yellow with purple streak. Petals appear with red veins on the dorsal side. Pod are dark colored with the 4 to 5 seeds per pod. It is also found suitable for forage and as a cover crop, shade and hedge. Climate, higher drought resistance, moist and humid condition for vegetative period, drier condition for flowering and pod shedding, rain during flowering, poor pollination, infestation of pod borer, temperature 18 to 27 degrees Celsius is desirable. However, they are vast to tolerant, less than 10 degrees Celsius and more than 35 degrees Celsius. Soil, well-drained, medium heavy loam soils are required for the cultivation of pigeon pea. They are cultivars tolerant to the waterlogging, frost, and salinity. Which varieties? Varieties are grouped under short day, medium, and long day. Short day, 100 to 150 days, days for plantation. Medium, 150 to 180 days. Long duration varieties, 180 to 300 days. Varieties, T21, OPAS 120, ICPL 151. These are the short duration variety. T21, OPAS 120, ICPL 151 short. Also short variety is suitable in Rajasthan, Haryana, UP, Punjab, Delhi. T21, OPAS 120, Bihar. These are the long duration variety. SMR sterility mosaic resistance, AR Alternaria resistance. These are the symbols for sterility mosaic resistance varieties, Alternaria resistance varieties, AR or SMR. Field management, field preparation. Feed seed bed with friable with soil with the optimum moisture for germination and growth. Deep rooted crop, one deep plow followed with the harrowing. Raised bed, ridges and furrow, flat swing in making furrow sets. Seed and swing. A seed requirement 8 to 10 kg for long duration variety, 10 to 12 kg for medium duration variety, 12 to 15 kg for short duration varieties. Mixed crop, when a crop is mixed with another crops, 50% of the above seed requirements is less. When a pigeon bee intercrop with the another crops, requirement seed rate is half is recommended for the cultivation. Optimum plant population is 1,11,000 per plants per hectare. Seed spacing 45 into 20 centimeter for short duration varieties, 45 into 30 centimeter for medium duration varieties, or 90 into 30 for long duration variety. 2 seeds per hole is required. Shallow placing, nutrient management. How to nutrient management in a pigeon pea crop? Good response to biofertilizer, respond to nitrogen up to 25 kg as a starter dose. Good response to phosphorus up to 60 kg. Applied potassium did not improve the yield since. The crop is deep rooted and the most Indian soil are rich in potassium. There is a response to sulfur up to 20 kg. Response to zinc on waterlogged saline soil. Blanket recommendation is required for rainfed areas. 12.5 25 kg NPK N कितना 12.5 और P 25 kg per hectare in rainfed areas. In irrigated areas 25 kg nitrogen or 50 kg phosphorus is recommended. 20 kg sulfur as a gypsum along with a DAP 20 kg as a foliar may be given higher yield. Zinc application up to 20 kg for deficient soil. Water management. Deep rooted system helps to draw moisture from the deeper branching, flowering and pod filling are crucial. Irrigation at 0.4 IW CP ratio. Root penetration is better at 0.4 than 0.6. Avoid water stagnation at any stage. 2 irrigation plus live irrigation is sufficient. Weed management. Being an initial sluggish and growth weed is problem, crop weed competition is for 7 to 8 weeks. May be managed by the quick growing short duration crop as an intercropping. Mulching is in between the rows can reduce weed. Intercultivation, hand weeding is must. Pre-emergence application of fluochlorine 0.75 kg and pendimethalin 0.75 kg on third day after sowing. Cropping system. It is basically an intercrop with a short duration crop with the cereals, sorghum, intercrop with the pigeon pea and finger millet, intercrop with the pigeon pea, maize, intercrop with the pigeon pea. Which pulses? Pigeon pea intercrop with the green gram, black gram, soybean. Harvesting. Indeterminate growth, no synchronized maturing. When the 70 to 80% pod turn brown, cut and dried. Threshing may be passing stone roller, beating against hand hard surface. Seed may be stored at a 10 to 12% moisture. Splitting of cotyledon involve 2 steps: losing of the husk from the cotyledon and removing the husk and splitting them using roller as in dal. Thank you guys. If you have any query, any doubt regarding this session, please write in comment box.